Hello and welcome to our video on solving simultaneous equations using the graphical method. We've got two equations here that we need to solve for. All we need to do is graph them on the graph. Now we'll be assuming we're doing this by hand. If this was a tech active exam, you could use your CAS, and there's a separate video on how you can use your CAS to do this. So assuming we don't have any way to graph it, we have to graph it by hand. I would recommend using the intercept method. So we need to make x equals 0 first, y equals, well, 3 on 2 times 0, so that's going to be 0 plus 3, y equals 3. When y equals 0, 0 equals 3 on 2x plus 3 minus 3 is 3 on 2x minus 6 is 3x, x equals negative 2. So we've got y equals 3 and x equals negative 2, and you would get your ruler and draw a neat line through there. Next, x equals 0, y equals 0 to find the intercepts for these two. X equals 0, 0 minus 2y equals 2. I'll move this one over a bit. Minus 2y equals 2, y equals negative 1. When y equals 0, x minus 0 equals 2, x equals 2. Y is negative 1, x is 2, and you draw a straight line with your ruler through those two as well. Here's a graph I prepared earlier where you can clearly see the intersection point there is at x equals negative 4 and y equals negative 3. So you should have that same intersection point when you draw your two graphs. Now the thing about the graphical method is you need to be really precise with your graphing. And if you're slightly out with your ruler and you're not drawing properly, it won't be easy to read off the solution. Also, this one's a nice and easy solution because it's whole numbers. But if you had an intersection, say, here in between 3 and 4, it's really difficult to estimate where that point actually is. So graphical solution is not useful very often unless you're given a clear graph that you can just read off the solution. Thanks for watching the video.